Hi everyone, this video is about what is in a record. So here I am, I just did a search for differentiated instruction and mathematics, and then I clicked this article from the classroom implementing Common Core, blah, blah, blah. So this is the title of the article here, and this is basically what I'm gonna see in a record. My full text is over here to the left, so I have two options in this case. I can either view it as a PDF, which I would prefer because that shows the original pagination of the article, but I could also see it as HTML full text over there. These are my authors. This is the title of the journal, and it is peer-reviewed, and this is a URL. So I'm pointing this out because in ERIC specifically, sometimes the article doesn't live over to the left, and I'll show you that in a second, but there's always a link to a URL right here, so usually that will get you to the full text if the PDF is not sitting to the left. But what's also here is a set of descriptors. So these are basically subject terms that describe what this article is about. Okay, down here is the abstract. So this is a description of what the article is about. I would look at this and see if this article really is worth my time, whether or not I should read the full text of the article. Just remember that you can't actually quote from the abstract. You have to quote from the actual text of the article and never the abstract. But okay, so over here to the right, I've got my tools. So from here, I can print the article, I can email it to myself, which is a great way to kind of collect articles if you're searching for a bunch at once. And I could also cite the article from here. So I would click this button here, and I'm going to choose my citation style, and I want to do APA. And so this right here is the citation that I would use for my bibliography if I quote from this. You should, of course, check it to make sure that it's accurate. I can already tell something isn't quite right just from looking at it, which is the way that the title is capitalized. It's capitalized slightly incorrectly. But basically, you can take this and then compare it to the APA standards and save yourself a lot of time. What else is here? Oh, the last thing I would show you is how you can add it to a folder. So let's actually go back to the results list. And if this were my topic and I found a bunch of these articles that I thought might be good and I wanted to read them later, I could actually click this, and this is going to add it to a folder up top. So I'm going to click this one, I'm going to click this one, I'm going to click this one, and let's say I want to read all of these later. So what I could do is I could go up here to this folder, click it, and this is going to have now all of the articles that I just clicked. So I've got 4 articles here. And I can do kind of cool things. I could select them all at once, and I could email myself all 4 articles at once, which can definitely save me time in the future. Just so you know, this does not save your folder between different searches. So if I click out of this, or if I close the tab, or just close my computer, or whatever, it's not going to remember me the next time I log in. So just know that it's really just for right now. So while I'm doing my search, I can click a bunch of them at once and then save it to the folder and then send it all to myself. It's definitely handy. It saves you time. Just know that it's not going to remember you next time. And yeah, that's it. That's basically what you can do from inside the record. Thanks.